Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Google Ads account without the campaign. So just go to the Google Ads website, and once you're here you can just click on start now or sign in, depends on you. Just click on the sign in. It will make sure that you are signed in and take you to this page. Confirm your account and payment settings. Now inside this setting I already have submitted a few information, so let me just go back to the first page, which will be basically adding all your information related to your business and all the details. So you will see this page called what's your business name. So you can just write down the name of your business, ABC. Let's say this is my business name, and make sure to add your website or phone number or the app download page. That depends on you. Click on next, and just make sure to add the necessary information that they need you to work on. Describe what makes your business unique, some keywords, ticket. Click on next, and after that you can just skip this step. And once you skip it, they will ask you like choose your advertising objective. You can just directly skip it. You don't need to do it. The third one is campaign type. Now skip this one as well and leave campaign. Like you can skip ahead to your account and create campaign later. Just click on this option, and after that confirm your account ad setting, the time zone, currency, each and everything. So make sure to add everything, and once done they will ask you to choose your payment method, and make sure to choose this information as well. That depends on you. And after that just click on submit. Now as you can see, like I skipped all the campaign creation steps, and they just took me directly to my payment method and account creation. Once you do that, after that no account or no campaign will be created and your Google Ads account will be ready. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.